Hello everyone. So today I will show you how to fix Facebook music story not showing up on Facebook. When you try to put, it is not showing up. So how to fix it? So first go to App Store, search Facebook, and if there are any update available, if there is an update button, tap on it and update it. Now the second step is to offload and reinstall Facebook. Go to settings, scroll down and tap on general, scroll down and tap on iPhone storage. Now from here locate Facebook and open it, tap on offload app, and after that go back to App Store, search Facebook and download it again. That's it. Thanks for watching. See you in next tutorial.